Hey there, Leslie here. Well, are you giving yourself permission to change and to move into something new, primarily the paralegal career? Or are you holding yourself back? Number one, it could be because of what other people have said or think, or because in your mind you think you're too old or that you don't have what it takes. The fear starts to set in. Fear can be a good thing. It will keep you on your toes, but where it is a negative thing is if it is stopping you. So don't let it stop you. And if you think, oh, easier said than done, no, I know. I've sat in my car crying. I've sat there wondering, why am I not getting the jobs? And I had to come to a conclusion that something needed to change. And what was it? Well, first of all, my cover letter needed to change. It was just an intro to the resume. I was banking on the resume. The resume they look at for 15 seconds. The cover letter is something else entirely. It is a major sales tool. If you do not understand that, you're missing out. So that's just tip of the iceberg, though. The main body of the iceberg is that you know how to help the attorney. And can you honestly say that you do? If you don't, and you say, well, Leslie, don't they train you? Don't they sit you in a conference room and then every day you learn how to do new things? No, they don't do that. So you have to come in knowing a lot. Do you have to know everything? No. They know you're a beginner, but they do not make room for training in any of the legal workplaces. So you have to take that initiative for yourself. You're building a career. You're not there as you could be as a 9-to-5 person, but the person who takes the initiative will have longevity in this career, and you will have flexibility because you can move to a different place, raise your salary yourself, and not wait for somebody else to give you some coins. And I did that. I did that for 32 years. Okay? So is it possible for you? Yes. Totally doable. I'll tell you one of my weaknesses. I'm not the best in Microsoft Word, but I am really good with problem solving. So when an attorney needs help, and that's what I was there for, I tried to solve problems. And that was my main goal. That was my job, part of my job. So don't let anything stop you. Keep going forward. Don't forget the Paralegal Inner Circle class, Cover Letter Secrets class, launched today. So get on board. Go to my website, check it out. Under courses, there's a special bundle price there for both classes, paralegalcoffeetalk.com.